Here's a cool feature that these have on them, where you can open and lock this hidden compartment on the Traverse. You see, you can store some protective items in there that you don't want nobody having access to, like a firearm or wallet you don't want to take to the beach with you. To lock that, you go to settings, and you'll go to vehicle, and go down to where it says valet mode. And then you're going to go let's put your code in. It don't matter. You can put whatever code you want in there. But I'm going to show you what happens when you do this. Alright. Don't lose your code. Alright. Now this button doesn't work. You can't do anything, so it's protected. I'm going to unlock it with the code I've made up. It does not matter what the code is. And then there you go. That's how you use the valet mode on this vehicle. Here's how you set a radio station on this Traverse. You hit the audio. You discover where you want it to go to, what kind of channel you want to save. You can change AM, FM channels all together. So if I want to save that here, I can. If I want to put an FM channel right beside of it, I can. If I want to put an SXM channel right on it, I can. Pretty easy to use. Anything you want to adjust on the radio, on the music, you just go to the sound menu. This is where you can adjust your bass, mid-range, and treble along with your fade. You can move the speakers around wherever you want them to be. And then you can browse, if you're on Sirius, you can browse the different types of music this way. And then you can, of course, go to your settings. And that's where you can go in and change your settings for your subscription. But each of the bands will have their own menus on there. Pretty handy.